So this is for the Nightlight lantern, for using the 2.25-inch insert. So this jig is available for free download on my Facebook group. You'll have a shallow side and then a deeper side. You want to start off on the shallow side, and you want to turn this to where it's facing the front of the nightlight. So then you flip it over, and this is probably the hardest part, is trying to get that to where it is fixed. So once you've got it and it's straight, you want to make sure that you have the right orientation of this piece. That looks right. So once you have your orientation, then you can just remove the backing. This is a 1/16 inch piece of wood with 3M backing on both sides. So you remove the backing from one side, and then you have to get it. There we go. There we go. Once that is okay, you pop it out, and then you're going to come over here to the front. It's easier to remove the 3M backing from the other side before you insert it. You're going to insert this in here, and then you take your front and you just pop it on. Once that's on, you pop the ornament out of the jig altogether. Not ornament, excuse me, nightlight out of the jig altogether. And then I am missing some pieces. Hold on, where did my pieces go? I forgot to put them over here. Let me grab, I'm missing a piece. Here we go. All right, so you can leave it like this. I had gotten a little bit of stain here, so I'm going to go ahead and cover this, and I did it on my other nightlight as well, so I like to add a little bit. And I use 3M backing on these. So you just remove the 3M backing, make sure it's straight, and apply. There's probably a better way to take this off, but once all these are off, so then you have your back. So it's time to apply the nightlight module. So I've got my clip and my nightlight. I'm going to sand where the nightlight module is going to be super glued, and then I will also sand the nightlight clip. This is 100 grit. I've used 80 also. I'm going to take it off camera and really, sorry, I didn't want all those here, but you rough it up really good. And this just helps the super glue adhere the plastic and the wood. And if I can, I'm going to rough it a little bit more, because you really want to feel the roughened edge, or side, I should say. So yep, you can see it's really good and rough. So once that gets rough, I'm gonna take this is just a Gorilla Glue. You probably can use others. I think Starbound is also a good one. I need some more super glue, obviously. Well, let me see if I've got multiple half bottles. I may have to come back and finish this if I can't get the super glue. Okay. Had to go bang on it a little bit. So once you get that, then you're going to supply that. You could hold it, but I want it to be really, give it a really good chance to cure. So I like these, oh, let me get this, another one. I like these little clamps, and you know, I will clamp that and then let it sit for a little while. While I'm waiting on that, I've got another one that I can show you. This is one that's already clamped, and you see it's really good. This, you just pop it in, and this is your finished. I'll show you in a second how to, you know, this is how you insert. I guess I can show you. You know, I'll actually go light it up too, but this is, all right.